How to change caption style on Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change caption style on your Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google and now click on those 3 points up there and click on settings. Scroll down and click on accessibility and click on the last option, which is captions. And here click on the last option again, which is caption style, white on black. And here this is help you if you aren't see, you can't see the caption, like you can choose this one, it will help, and you choose this one, or for example I choose this one and this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.